In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set a dual clock on your iPhone lock screen. This is a great way to keep track of the time in two different cities or time zones. The ability to set a dual clock on the lock screen is only available on iPhones running iOS 16 or later. If you need help determining what version of iOS you're running, you can check by going to Settings, then tapping General, and then tapping About. To set a dual clock on your lock screen, you will need to go to the Settings. Tap on Settings. Find in the settings the option Wallpaper. Tap on the Customize button from the lock screen part, the left zone. We already have a clock that says time on our zone. Now, you need to add another clock widget to your lock screen. To do this, tap on the second row below the big clock. If you already have two widgets, you need to remove one by tapping on the minus from the top of the widget. I will remove the calendar widget. Now, let's find a clock in the widget section. Tap on the clock. You can choose from multiple clock versions. If you have multiple time zones that you want to add, pick the World Clock widget. If not, you can pick something else. When you find the clock you want to add, tap on it. Now let's configure the clock widget. Tap on the new widget you added. Change the city you want to show. Just write the name of the city from the time zone you want to see. I will add New York. Now tap on any empty space on the phone. Once you've added the second clock, tap on the Done button to save your changes. That's all there is to it. Now you know how to set a dual clock on your iPhone lock screen. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. And remember to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.